The next big thing in music and entertainment has got to be hologram technology. In the future, it will change how students learn music, how artists perform and collaborate, and possibly give birth to a new wave of completely animated entertainment icons. Long before Star Trek made the idea of holographic projection popular, in 1947, Dennis Gabor happened upon the idea accidentally when trying to improve the microscope. True holograms are three-dimensional projections that don't need a screen to be viewed. To project a three-dimensional person or animated object, holograms depend on lighting information from multiple perspectives to be converted into data points and curves and finally reanimated in free space. Today, experts at Warsaw University of Technology say there are still several challenges when it comes to generating screen-free, authentic holograms. But it's obvious the digital world is pushing the fence. This year, a company called AV Concepts, in association with Digital Domain, a James Cameron company, are said to have brought the technology to reality by creating a hologram performance of deceased performer Tupac at the Coachella Valley Music Festival. Although the performance in Coachella went off with a bang, some report that Tupac and Japanese Hatsune Miku are not true three-dimensional holograms because they rely on an invisible screen to achieve the effect. No matter, they are certainly a hint of what's to come. Holography means artists of tomorrow can perform in several places at once without leaving a carbon footprint. Producers can look forward to a bright new market for synthetic performers, and fans can experience entertainment with a new digital twist that blurs the line between human and technology.